Hi, hello. Welcome in this new vlog. I've decided to vlog my last week in Scotland. Oh, there's the plane. Well, I was in Scotland for the past month to babysit my little cousin slash solo trip a bit around Scotland. And yeah, I'm in my last week and I thought, why not just filming myself during this week. It's not gonna be a very interesting week. It's just really my daily life here, daily routine, taking care of my cousin, and yeah, I'm not doing so much. Also, I've been feeling super down the past, I don't know, the past month. I feel like I'm really in a rut where I don't really know how to came out of it, but I've been really feeling super down. So yeah, I think also filming me will help with my, I don't know, little difficult moment, I guess, and I could be able to reflect, hopefully soon, and see that everything went well after all. So now it's 8 a.m. and she just went to school, so now I am home. And today it's raining. Like, really, Scotland is really nice, beautiful, but I can't live here. Like, the weather is so bad all the time. It is really depressing. Now I think I'm just gonna nap because I'm tired. I haven't slept well, and then we'll see. I will catch you on later. It's now almost noon. I was on the phone with my best friend because we are planning a trip to Rome, which is so fun. And we also talked about life. And it was very deep, you know, talking about traumas, etc. But I guess it's super nice to have someone with who you can talk about those things, so that was nice. I'm in a better mood, as you can tell. I am less sad, which is great. I think I'm gonna do like some Pilates stretch. I wanted to go for a run, but clearly I'm not in a mood and I'm not feeling it. I'm gonna have my period soon, so yeah, I think stretches are good, and then maybe a bath could be nice, and eating also. Guys, it's a bit later, I mean maybe an hour later. I started to do stretches, like Pilates stretches, and then my dad called me, and then my mom called me, and because I'm not very, I don't know, I'm just not in a good mental place right now, to be honest. I think, yeah, anyways, I started to cry, and then I wasn't in a mood to finish my workout, so I did not finish it.
I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. See, we was cool right before it hit your fist, but it hit the fan when I got him down and pinched. But I took a break.
So guys, good morning. It's the next day. I am in a much better mood. Hopefully it will stay like that. It's the next day and I just received a cool package from Zara. So I bought a pair of shoes. Usually I don't buy my shoes from Zara. I like to buy my shoes from more, I guess, sustainable and more like good quality, high quality brands. But those shoes are a bit like trendy shoes, and I didn't want to spend like 200 euros in a pair of shoes that are trendy and that I'm not sure that I will still be wearing in a year or 2 years. So I thought, okay, why not just buy it on Zara? It was like 30 euros and see how I like it. But right now I am not dressed, so I will show you later. First, we're gonna go on our morning walk. It is 10 a.m. and the sky is a bit clearer now, so let's go for our morning walk.
Show me your soul, baby, I'll show you mine. Show me your soul.
having a beautiful walk. It feels amazing. And yeah, and the sun is out, which is fantastic because it was not an hour ago. That's perfect. And yeah, just a little mental health walk.
Holding up a sign.
I'm in the park right now and it is just beautiful. There's this beautiful park near my aunt's house, like it's a 25 minutes walk. It's just so peaceful. I am in the rose garden at the moment and it's always empty. I don't know why, because it's gorgeous. Obviously right now there's no roses anymore, but it's still breathtaking. Yeah, it feels just so good to take care of myself and just put my mental health first. I feel like I have neglected it for the past weeks, so it's been great. And actually today it's mental health day, so it's a little reminder to take care of yourself. Okay, so I thought why not showing you my walk outfit, which is very ugly, but still it's an outfit. This jumper is from my aunt. I mean this little thingy. This jumper is from Union. Here leggings are Fabletics, I think. Old Fabletics, and sneakers are Nike. Yeah, it is not fashion. I swear when I'm in Paris I dress very well. Hey guys, so it's much later now. It is 3 p.m. I took a shower, I'm all presentable, and I wanted to show you the shoes because I haven't shown you the shoes that I got. So here are the shoes. They look like this. They're like this beautiful pink, like powder pink. Pretty cute. Now the issue with the shoes is that I love the color, but I think, I don't know why, but I think they give like a bit of a, they look like elf shoes. And I love elves. Actually, I don't really love elves. They kind of scare me. But I don't know if it's gonna be a vibe. I don't know. So I thought just throwing on an outfit that I could completely wear like in my daily life in Paris and see if they are, you know, if they are going with my vibe or not. And if not, I will send them away. But here are the shoes. What do you think about them? I don't know. I think they're cute. It's not too elfic. I'm gonna keep them. It's only 30 euros, so I'm very happy that I did not bought the, you know, more expensive version of them. But yeah, I'm happy. Good morning. I hope you can hear me. There's some constriction, but hi. Today I decided that I will try to make cinnamon buns. I tried once and it was absolutely disgusting. I don't really come with a lot of confidence on this, but we'll see. I've been really inspired by all those candy girls to try it out again. And yeah, it's a beautiful sunny day here in Scotland. I live in a week, so I'm trying to enjoy as much as I can time with my family and all the things. So yeah, let's make cinnamon buns. So guys, I just made the dough, which looks like this. To be honest, it was so hard. I'm so bad at making dough, but yay, it's a mess. Like, it's a total mess. Complete mess. But at least the dough looks pretty okay, I think. Well, I have to put it aside for 2 hours. So guys, I just made my cinnamon buns. Look at them. I think they look cool. They look very good. Hopefully they will. And now I'm gonna put them in the oven for 20 minutes. Hi guys, good morning. I wanted to show you my quick recipe to make a tabouleh. Originally it's a Lebanese dish, but I'm not doing the Lebanese way. I'm just doing a bit of a invention. But yeah, the base is tabouleh. So I'm gonna show you how I make it. First thing first, you need this, de la semoule. I don't know how you call it in English. I think you call it couscous. You need this. So 1 whole lemon. My protein will be salmon, but you can use whatever protein you want if you want to put protein in it. Then I will have a cucumber, 2 tomatoes, and that's it. You can add as much as you want. when it comes to vegetables. It's just that this is all I have left. So yeah, I'm gonna show you. So you need 2 glasses of couscous. So I'm just gonna do it like this and put it in a bowl. Okay guys, so I just cut everything. So the goal of this recipe is that you don't have to cook anything. Basically what you see here, so I put the tomatoes, the cucumber, and the salmon, and under it you have the couscous. And the juice of the tomatoes plus the lemon juice that I'm gonna use, plus the water that you also have in cucumber, all of this is going to cook the couscous itself. I know it looks a bit crazy right now, but trust me, I'm gonna add the lemon juice, then stir everything, then put it in the fridge, let it be for like 3 hours, and then for lunchtime it will be perfect. I also add salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Now I'm gonna add coriander and parsley. I'm gonna stir everything, put it in the fridge, and I will see you later for the final reveal. Hey guys, I realized that I never showed you the results of my little tabbouleh inspired dish. So here you have it. Can you see it? Yes, it looks a bit disgusting right now because I put just some balsamic vinegar on top of it, but everything is cooked. It is delicious. I would highly recommend to also add some fresh mint if you have. It's just so good. But yeah. So I just finished journaling, and I think also that I'm gonna end this vlog here, but I just wanted to say that this whole week you saw me kind of going down and up with my mental health, and I wanted to tell you that it is okay to not feel good, and you should always take care of yourself and prioritize yourself and your mental health. Journaling is a way that I found very soothing, and that helps me really feel better and just understand better my thoughts. Sometimes I've been journaling for years now, on and off, but I still think that it is an amazing tool. And yeah, I've been really consistent with my journaling since maybe 3 years, and it's been amazing. So I highly recommend you to start if you don't, or to keep doing it if you are doing it, because it is the most amazing tool, I think. And yeah, thank you for watching this first vlog, and I'll see you next week, probably in London with my best friend. It's gonna be very fun. So yeah, see you then. Bye guys.